composer called Ingibjörg Kristín Þorbergsdóttir. She was born in 1927 and reached the age of 92. She was the first Icelandic woman to complete a soloist exam on a wind instrument and to sing her own song on an album. The first Christmas song that was not a hymn and was released on an album was also by her. So she was a true pioneer. She worked for a long time in the national radio in Iceland, hosting popular programs, working as a musician alongside, both singing and writing many popular songs. We find it extremely enjoyable to perform songs by her, and I would like to mention that most of the songs we sing today are arranged by our beloved choir director, Berta Dröfn Ómarsdóttir.
Situation in that town. In 2023 there was evacuation and that all the inhabitants need to move away. Now this hometown of mine is a ghost town where only few people lives in houses that are really like determined to not leave. But we are hoping that we will one day build the community up again and relive in this beautiful place called Grindavík. If you haven't heard about it, there was an eruption nearby. The lava came over 3 houses and there was like an opening inside of the town. So yeah, tragic situation. But this song has nothing to do with that. This song is about the birds that they are maybe bringing some knowledge, something that we can learn from. It's called Fuglar Fortíðar, and we don't need to make always the same mistakes as people have already done. So maybe we can learn something from the past if we just give it a chance to maybe listen to them, to the song of the birds. This next song is the newest song on the program. It's called Rólegur kúrekinn, and it means, the lyrics tells the story of this relationship where the male is not behaving quite right towards the woman who is singing. So he sees like, okay, you need to stay calm, cowboy.